everyone, Mr. Sparkton here, and we're back with some more survival craft. Now today we're gonna try to start a plantation. I know, it is very boring, but at the same time we kinda have to survive, so you guys are gonna have to deal with it for a bit. Obviously, I'm not going to show the full process of me building it, I'm just gonna show you guys the steps. So yeah, just hang on tight because yeah, it's going to be quite a long journey, I'm not gonna lie. And it's morning. Good. Alright, so while you guys were gone, I actually decided to expand a bit on the base. It's not too big, but hey, size doesn't matter, does it now? Right guys, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's move on. The plan is as simple as it gets. Create, destroy, wait no, I fucked up. Destroy, create, then plant. There we go. But like I said previously, I'm not gonna show you guys every step that I'm doing. So here's a montage. Whoops, almost forgot the music. Well, here it is.
Tell me why you started a fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? Why you gotta tear my heart out? Leave me in the rain. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? When the light fades and the dawn breaks, that's when it's hardest to fix it. When you're lonely and your heart aches, that's when you know what you're missing. Hold up, let me get my story straight. It hit me like a tidal wave. Won't you give me just another day to tell myself it's not over yet? Tell me where you started a fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? Why you gotta tear my heart out? Leave me in the rain. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet?
Hey guys, better have enjoyed this music because obviously it was made by KSI, one of the best YouTubers I've ever known. But anyway, moving on, now that we're done destroying everything, it is time that we actually replace everything with dirt. So I'm bringing the music back, hope you guys enjoy it.
It's not over yet.
Show me where to look for a halo. Oh, I'm sick and tired of the pain, so I don't wanna be the one to let go. Oh no. But why is everybody telling me it's over? Trying to shut the voices out, they're getting closer. Help me stay alive just so I can show you
It's not over yet. Tell me where you started a fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? Why you gotta tear my heart out? Leave me in the rain. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet? It's not over yet. Tell me why you started a fire. It's burning up in my head. Why do I always tell myself that it's not over yet?
Wait, hold up, the song is done. Oh shit, I'm still building. Well, fuck, I didn't expect it to be that long. But yeah, as you can see, it did actually take me quite a while to actually build this, so yeah. You can say that it's going to be worth it. Most probably, I don't actually know if it's going to be worth it. Like, if it's bare trash, I can't do anything. That's the thing. But anyway, here we go. I'm done. But the thing is, I took the whole day just to build this, so yeah, now I'm gonna have to wait the next day so that I can actually even plant something. So yeah, it kind of sucks, but I guess I'm just gonna have to wait. And I think I'm gonna have to put some fences around it just in case, because I think animals can literally stomp on my crops if I don't do that. So yeah, I'm gonna have to do that, but I guess I'll see you guys again tomorrow because obviously it's getting dark. And it's morning, nice. Alright, so let's go see the plantation. What the fuck's going on here again? There's some wolves and a lot of leather around. Wait, Did they kill the sharks? Wait, the shark give leather? Wait, no. Something's wrong here. Why the fuck is there so many leather here? You know what? Leather is actually very useful in this game, so I'm gonna go build a boat and then I'm gonna pick up the leather that are remaining because I'm pretty sure that the wolves are not gonna eat leather. Do they eat leather? I don't think they do. So I might as well take it. I think, yeah, there we go. That's how you make a boat. This looks bare weird. I don't know why. It looks like a rock to me. Oh wait, now I can see the shape. Oh, never mind. I'm just dumb as hell. But anyway, let's place the boat. I think right here should do it. Yep, let's climb on it. And there we go. Let's go pick up the lever. I don't think they would be aggressive if I go too close. Okay, what the fuck? It's a shark farm. What? Okay, who's gonna win? I bet on the shark because... Oh. Yeah, the shark did win. Damn, it actually wiped out everything. Wait, so sharks are actually attracted by rotten meat. Oh wow, it's not interested in me at all right now. Well, let's actually go back before it actually gets interested. So yeah, I don't want to deal with that. So yeah, fuck. I mean, could I try to get the other lever? You know what, nah, I prefer not to, so let's go back to the shore. Yeah, I don't want to deal with that, and I'm going back to the farm because fuck this, I'm not staying with a shark. Man, and I thought I had the worst deal staying on the ground. Yeah, I'm not going in the water for a while. Anyway, so we're gonna be fencing this place up so that no animals actually jump over it. I'm pretty sure that no animals probably can jump over a fence. Hopefully, I'm not sure because if I remember well, fences are supposed to keep animals from going out or from coming in, so yeah, I'm not sure, but hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, hopefully. Alright, so I just went back home, picked up some of the pumpkin seeds. Now I'm just gonna have to till the ground. It's very easy to do that, but the problem is in this game, if you even step on a single one of the tilted dirts, they turn back into regular dirt. So that's kind of fucked up, I'm not gonna lie. Well, either way, it is time for us to actually start tilting. So here's another montage. And there we go, we're done. So yeah, this one was pretty simple, I would say. And as you can see, the ground actually turned a bit more dark brown. So that means that this one are actually ready to go. So they won't go dry, I guess. I don't know how to say that. But anyway, let's start planting the pumpkin seeds. And wait, I think it's gonna turn... Yeah, there we go. As you can see, some of them turned back into regular dirt. And that is why I didn't want to step on... Oh, fuck. It's going to be pretty difficult, but thankfully the water sources that are side to side with the plants are gonna help me to traverse through them. So yeah, that should be quite... My clothes is worn out. What? Oh, my shoes. Well, fuck. I'm not gonna be able to run too fast, but hey, the most important thing right now is to actually plant. So I don't really care. So as you can see, I can just go here and plant it. Though I might get wet, which is a problem, but... Well, at this rate, to be honest, I prefer to get wet than starve to death, so... Yeah, I prefer not to... Wait, I'm missing one single seed. Well, fuck. Well, anyway, since we actually finished planting the pumpkin ones, now we actually need to go find some wheat and some cotton seeds. Indeed, you can find cotton. As you can see, there's one right there. This weird ass looking tree, which kind of looks like weed, is actually cotton. If you break them, you can actually get cotton seeds, which will be useful, but obviously they are quite rare to find. So yeah, I'm just gonna skip through all of this, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Never mind, it's getting dark. I'm not doing this while it's dark, so I'm going back home and I'm going to sleep. See you tomorrow again, guys. This is going to be the third time I'm going to sleep in this episode. Well, fuck it, I don't care. Well, surprisingly, I do care now because there's a fucking panther outside my house, and that is why I've thrown some rotten meat outside. Well, the good thing is that I don't think it's close anymore, because if it was near my house, it would have gone for the rotten meat. So I'm quite safe, but at the same time, I'm pretty fucked if I don't do anything quickly. So I'm gonna prepare a bow and arrow, not a bow, but just some arrows so that I can actually fend off a fucking panther. And yeah, we're just gonna see how it goes. Alright, so I'm just gonna run outside. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh, what the fuck is it? Okay, I guess it's gone. You know what now? Just because it actually annoyed my ass, I'm still gonna search for it. So we're gonna go on top of the tower. Oh, I see it. There it is. Oh yeah, that's a panther. Well, I'm gonna fight it. I'm a dumbass, so we're actually gonna fight it. So let's see. Let's aim. I should be good, and I missed. Wow. Okay, let's do that again. There we go. It's getting close, so that should be good. There we go. We got it. Oh shit! Now the bad thing about panthers is that they reach very high, or jump very high actually. But it's the same thing. Either way, I don't think it can reach me. So yeah, I'm pretty fine. So yeah, we're gonna do the same as with the buffalo, and hopefully we don't die. Alright, reload it. There we go. Hey, what the fuck are you running? Get the fuck back here, man! Hey, no, I'm going after this shit. This son of a bitch actually hit me while I was inside my house. So I'm going to kill it. Get the fuck back here. Oh, you wanna challenge me again? Oh shit, nice dodge. I'm gonna give you that. But you're not gonna fucking... Wait, it's going in my crops. Get the fuck out of there right now. I'm killing it now. How dare it actually fucking go into my farm? Fuck you, die. Oh, there we go. It's dead. Fuck you, fucking panther, Wakanda forever, bitch! Well, it didn't give me anything, but the good thing is that my crops are fine. As you can see, it is actually growing pretty fine, but yeah, we're gonna have to still try and find the wheat and the cotton, so let's go do that. Alright, cool, I'm done, so let's go plant the wheat and the cotton, and these are growing very fine.
Wait, I think we're gonna have to do this fast because it's getting dark already, yeah. Well, we're just gonna plant the... Oh shit, there we go. We're just gonna plant the cotton real quick before going back home because, yeah, I hope it just grows until the morning, so yeah, should be good. I think that's all I have. Yeah, I don't have a lot. I think I'm gonna try to get some more very quick. I think there should be at least one of them very close by. I think there was one at my house, so let's see. Yeah, I see it. It's right in the corner right here. There we go. Take it, and we're just gonna go back. How much I got? 2. You know what? I think 2 is exactly how much I need. So yeah, that's pretty good chances right there. And okay, there are no wolves right now, so I should be pretty safe. So let's plant this, and oh, the moon is rising up. Yeah, we don't want to stick here for a long time. So yeah, let's move before the fucking wolves get aggressive on me. So yeah, ooh, actually this looks pretty beautiful. I'm not gonna lie, this looks quite dope. As dope as it may be, it won't help us survive, so let's go back into our house.
Okay, so I think it's werewolf period for the wolves on top again. So you know what? I'm gonna take this glass which I just made from sand, and we're gonna replace it, and so that we can actually see outside how or what's happening, because obviously at night we can only check out our door, and it is actually a full moon. So yeah, let's just be careful while breaking this, and then we'll place it quickly. And oh, there we go, we can actually see them way better. Yeah, this one may be a bit dangerous. There we go, place it. Oh, you tried it. He tried attacking. Yeah, those guys look menacing as fuck, I'll be honest. Let me break this one.
Bro, what the fuck? My game glitched. Oh, let me just place that real quick. Oh, it actually got me once. No way, I lost some health. Wow, very dangerous.
And it's the morning, guys. Now we're back at the farm. Oh, these are actually growing pretty well. I don't know if they're quite ready yet, so we're gonna stop planting the wheat. Oh fuck, there we go, tilt it again. I'm not sure if they're ready to be harvested just yet, so we're gonna leave it, and if it doesn't change, then we will collect it just to see how much we get. So hopefully we get quite a lot, but yeah, I still need a few amount of wheat and some pumpkins. So yeah, let's go do that. And we're done. Wait, hold up. Wait, I think, is that good? Wait, the pumpkin's actually good. There we go. So we're gonna plant the wheat first, then we're gonna start collecting them. Wait, are they floating? Wait, these pumpkins are floating. Wait, let me just go check this out real quick. I think the cotton should be good then. I will go check this out later, but for now, let's actually see if the pumpkins are floating. Let's crouch. Can I crouch? No. They're actually floating. Those are floating pumpkins. Well, I don't care. Either way, pumpkins are pumpkins. But as you can see, some of them are actually green. Those are actually the ones that won't be growing, so we might as well get rid of them. We can actually turn them into seeds as well, so it kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, with these pumpkins, we can actually put them in our inventory, craft them back into seeds, which is literally how the game is gonna work. So I think we're gonna get at least 7 pumpkin from that, so that should be pretty fine. So let's actually go and break this. What do we get? Oh wait, we got weed. Wait, is that weed? Let me just go check this out real quick. I'm pretty sure that is weed. No way. Sheesh, alright, we got some weed. Very nice. Let me throw that. There we go. I don't care about the egg, to be honest. And then we got nothing, so yeah, it sucks either way. But yeah, as you can see, we did get some wheat and some of those small pumpkins. So yeah, that's actually pretty sick. Damn, but okay, but seriously though, those are actually cotton, which I think we can make some clovers out of. So they're not really that useful. But at the same time, we will need them in due time. So we might as well keep them on us.
Alright, so I want to get some more of the cotton seeds, and we're actually going to be planting them again just so that we can actually get some more cotton. And as you can see, these are done. So yeah, that's actually very cool because we can actually make some clovers which can help us not get cold during, well, it's not winter, but if we're trying to go to the places where there's snow, then it's actually pretty cold. So obviously we're going to need some better clothing, and that's what they are used for. So yeah, either way, it's still going to work very fine. So right now, I'm pretty satisfied with that. And it's getting okay. I broke that by mistake, my bad. But anyway, we're gonna plant these pumpkin real quick, and yeah, we're gonna head back home because it's already getting to nighttime, and I don't want to stay out again. I think one time we should actually get out. Like, I think once or maybe in the next episode, I will actually stay outside and see how it is during the night. But for now, I'm kind of a pussy, so I'm not gonna go out. Well, the weather's pretty fucked up. There's a storm outside. I wonder if I should stay home. Nah, we're going to check if the plantations are going pretty well. But yeah, I've been mining a bit in my house because, yeah, it was still dark. I woke up a bit early because I wanted to start doing some stuff. But I think, and maybe, most probably, but the wheat should have grown by now. So let's go check on them. And I think I'm going to end it there because, obviously, it's been too long. It's been 19 minutes I think I've been playing. Not playing, but recording. So yeah, oh my god, that was lightning right there. But anyway, as you can see, we do have some wheat, and that's very nice. But yeah, everything is going pretty fine so far. We have wheat, so we can actually make some bread later on. But yeah, as you can see, everything's going very fine. The plantation growing pretty well, and everything doing fine. So yeah, it was a pretty good success, I would say. But I think I'm gonna end it here. So hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And probably try to do some more crazy stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.